How is a precise multiple sleep latency test conducted? Imagine trying to find out how quickly you fall asleep during the day. That's what the Multiple Sleep Latency Test, or MSLT, helps doctors measure. It's a special sleep test used to see how sleepy someone really is during the day. While it isn't the main test for diagnosing sleep apnea, it can be helpful after an overnight sleep study. This is especially true if doctors want to check for other sleep issues like narcolepsy or idiopathic hypersomnia. Before the test, patients usually follow a regular sleep schedule for 1 to 2 weeks. They might keep a sleep log to track their sleep habits. This helps make sure the test results are accurate and not affected by irregular sleep or sleep deprivation. On the day of the test, it is done right after an overnight sleep study, which is the usual test for sleep apnea. The MSLT starts about 1.5 to 3 hours after the overnight study ends. Patients are asked to eat a light breakfast first. Then, sensors are placed on their head, face, and chin. These sensors monitor brain activity, eye movements, and muscle tone. This helps determine when the person is awake or asleep, and if they enter REM sleep quickly. The test involves 4 or 5 nap sessions, each about 2 hours apart. During each nap, the person lies quietly in a dark, quiet room and tries to fall asleep. The lights are turned off, and the sensors record how long it takes to fall asleep, called sleep latency. They also check if REM sleep happens soon after falling asleep. If the person falls asleep, they are allowed to sleep for around 15 to 20 minutes. If they don't fall asleep within 20 minutes, the nap is ended, and the time is recorded as 20 minutes. After each nap, the person stays awake and cannot nap, lie down, or drink caffeine until the next session. A low-light video camera watches over them during each nap. A sleep technologist checks the sensors before each nap by asking the person to blink, move their eyes, or clench their jaw. Sometimes, a urine test is done to check for substances that could affect sleepiness. The test finishes after all the nap sessions are completed, usually by early afternoon. A sleep specialist then reviews the results. They look at how long it took on average to fall asleep and whether REM sleep occurred quickly. These findings help determine if the sleepiness is caused by conditions like narcolepsy or idiopathic hypersomnia. In cases of sleep apnea, the MSLT can be used if doctors suspect that daytime sleepiness isn't fully explained by the apnea alone. It helps clarify whether another sleep disorder is involved. The results guide further treatment options and help improve the patient's quality of life.